सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, कलम से जादू करते हैं, कमाल के हैं। विजेंद्र प्रसाद जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। कम ऑन, मेक सम नॉइज फॉर दिस जेंटलमैन जो हमारे साथ हैं यहाँ। एंड एज आई सेड, ही इज अ महारथी। इससे पहले बाहुबली की बात करें, मणिकर्णिका की बात करें, ऑफ कोर्स, एंड जैसा कंगना जी ने अभी उनके बारे में बताया। सो वेलकम, इट्स सच एन ऑनर टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस सर, एंड आपके बगल में खड़े होने ही। व्हाट वुड यू से सर?
Good evening, everyone. Usually, before the start of a movie, the writers will be asked, don't say anything about the movie. And now, at the stage of the trailer, I did not say anything about the movie.
Okay.
The trailer speaks. It's a very comfortable situation. So let me tell you something which is not in the movie.
Right.
With the permission of Kangana, I suggested to our producer and director that Kangana is the one who can carry this story on his shoulders. They had a lot of trepidation approaching Kangana. They had a feeling that she would eat them alive. Of course, their hale and heart is nothing that sort of has happened. Okay, then we approached her. By the time she had already some trust on me for the Manikarnika, then she was little apprehensive. Sir, I don't know anything about Jayalalitha. What preparation I should do? Then I told her only one thing: don't act. Be yourself.
That's huge, sir. That's like the biggest compliment I would say.
I said, just be yourself. Don't act. That's Jayalalitha. And the same dialogue is in the movie. She says, if you respect me as a lady, if you respect me as a mother, respect me. You have a place in my heart. If you think I'm a lady, she has shown what she is.
Right, sir.
And it's a wonderful journey. Thank you, Kangana. As I said, this is going to pave way for the 5th National Award. And as the title Thalaivi suggests, one day you must become a Thalaivi.
Wow.
My sincere, honest blessings. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion. Sir, मैं आपको जाने नहीं दूंगा, sir. So I won't let you go. You'll have to be here, sir, with us. Let me enjoy the moment, sir. And now it's time to invite on stage the super duper hit music director. छोटी सी उम्र में man of few words, and जितना कमाल इन्होंने किया है, किसने किया होगा? Give it up for Mr. G.V. Prakash, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. यहाँ तो बनता है. अभी हमने सुना था इनका जलवा है यहाँ पे. Welcome, sir.
Hi, everyone.
So good to see you.
It's lovely to be here. And I'm really thankful for Thalaivi to happen, and for me to get a chance to work with such a great actor, Kangana ji. Thank you so much for having me a part of this film. I've done the songs and the background score. Thanks to Vijay sir for bringing me into the project, Vishnu sir, Brinda ma'am, Shailesh ji, and Vijendra Prasad sir. And I had a great chance to work with the great Irshad ji on the songs. Thank you so much. I've tried to recreate. I'm a huge fan of R.D. Burman and M.S. Viswanathan. I've tried to recreate the musical era of their sound and the music which they produce. So we've dusted all those old mandolins and we brought it to life in this film. So you listen and you tell us how you feel about it. And there's so much of effort into the background score of this film. Hope you guys like it.
Sir, we are loving it, sir. Kaise hope you guys like it, sir? It's a sin to say that, sir. Not done, sir. Okay, now with this, ladies and gentlemen, before we start the Q&A with all you wonderful people, would like to also invite on stage the co-producer of this movie, Mr. Hitesh Thakkar. उनके लिए भी जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, Thakkar साहब के लिए तालियां बनती हैं. Welcome, sir. मैं तो सर congratulate कैसे करूं समझ ही नहीं पा रहा हूं अब तो सच में. What do you have to say, sir? यहाँ पे इतना कमाल हो गया, एंड ऑडियंस के रिस्पॉन्स पे आपको फैंस के लिए कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा, सर.
सर मुझे तो बोला नहीं था कि मुझे कुछ बोलना है, क्योंकि इतने सब महान लोग यहाँ स्टेज पर हैं. बट सुबह कंगना जी इमोशनल हो गई थी चेन्नई में ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे, और मैं भी शायद इमोशनल हो रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. और इसकी वजह सिर्फ ये है कि जैसे विष्णु जी ने बोला कि दिस फिल्म कैन नॉट बी मेड ओनली विद मनी. तो मुझे जो लग रहा है, बीइंग एसोसिएटेड, मतलब आई हैव बीन नाउ टिल नाउ एसोसिएटेड विद अ डजन फिल्म, बट इमोशनली इस फिल्म से मैं भी इतना कनेक्टेड हो गया हूँ कि आई फील दैट दिस मूवी इज नॉट मेड बाय mind or money. It's made with heart and blood.
Absolutely.
That's why maybe this film will do what it will do.
It will do, definitely, sir. और जैसा आपने कहा कि आप associated हैं film से, मैं बता दूं आपको, as an outsider, I can tell you, after gauging the response that it has got, कि एक इंसान जो इस film से जुड़ा हुआ है, वो अपने आप में rock star है, sir, superstar है. So congratulations to the entire team of Thalaivi. And now, ladies and gentlemen, would like to one more time invite on stage Brinda ji, please. Honor the stage rather, and साथ में कंगना रनौत, ladies and gentlemen, उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. The super duper star that we have with us, and more than anything, a brilliant actor. It's time for a quick photo op, and after that we'll also the editor of the movie, Ballu Saluja ji, of course, Irshad Kamal साहब यहाँ पे हैं. सर आपके तो नाम के साथ सर वो नुक्ते का ही मेरे को डर लगता है, by God, कि सही जगह लगेगा या नहीं. बस तो ठीक है सर, तो सही किया मैंने. Okay, it's time for a quick photo op, and then we'll take this आगे. I'll take the mic. जीवी sir. I'll take this. Thank you so much. Now we'll just set the chairs over here, chairs rather, and then. Sir. Sir, GV sir, please. Vishnu sir, please. Brinda ji. प्रसाद सर. सर ऐसे कैसे? अच्छा, समय की किल्लत को देखते हुए we'll take 5 questions, right? Quickly. काउंट करके. जी जी. अरुण सर. हाँ.
हेलो, नमस्ते.
हाय. सबसे पहले तो कंगना जी, जन्मदिन की ढेरों सारी बधाई आपको.
धन्यवाद.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू नेशनल अवार्ड एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. जब से ट्रेलर आया है चेन्नई में, हमने देखा आपने लॉन्च किया एंड लोग बहुत ही अप्रिसिएट कर रहे हैं. सो जब से नेशनल अवार्ड आपको मिला है, ढेरों सारी चीज़ें आपके साथ में हो रही हैं. सो क्या फील करती हैं आप एंड क्या कहना चाहेंगी इस मोमेंट को लेकर?
काफ़ी मतलब लाइक यू सेड, बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक साथ हो रही है. मेरा जन्मदिन भी है, तो उसके करके साथ में ये हो गया. इतनी अच्छी गिफ्ट मुझे मेरी टीम ने दी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेरे फैंस को दी और लोगों के लिए. तो फॉर मी इट्स अ वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग टाइम, एंड आई फील ओवरवेलम्ड.
एंड कंगना जी, हम ऐसा माने कि जो आपकी लाइफ में आपको उंगली करता है, आप उसका मेंदू वड़ा बना देती हैं?
Well, I personally feel that a lot of things that I do or I say is to have a kind of light-hearted interaction. And at times people take it very seriously because those people are so serious in life. They're dead serious in life, and that way things roll into one event into another. But having said that, most of the times people, I may criticize or I may express my hurt because of certain things that they have done. I find it absolutely easy to meet and interact with them again because it has been like my intention has been very light, but somehow people are not very much comfortable with anybody being very you know, clear and more, you know, that kind of honest in their interaction. So I feel I get extreme reactions, which is for me sometimes takes me aback also. And yes, when you have nothing, no agenda in your heart, and if you're not doing it for your personal ulterior motives, you will always win. There is no two ways about it.
एंड सिनेमा से सीएम तक जया जी की लाइफ रही है, तो हम ऐसा माने कि आपकी भी लाइफ सिनेमा, एंड अब आने वाले दिनों में हम आपको देखेंगे लाइक पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करते सिनेमा से सीएम तक, आपको भी हम देखेंगे?
वेल मैंने जैसा आपको कहा कि मेरे लिए पॉलिटिक्स का वर्ल्ड बहुत ही ज़्यादा अनजान है, और मैं देश के बारे में अगर आज बात करती हूँ, राष्ट्रवाद के बारे में बात करती हूँ, या मैं किसानों के बारे में, लॉज के बारे में जो मुझे डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट करते हैं, तो मुझे कहा जाता है कि मैं पॉलिटिशियन बनना चाहती हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं लाइक आई सेड, फॉर मी, मैं एक नागरिक के तौर पे हर चीज़ पे रिएक्ट करती हूँ, और पॉलिटिक्स से मेरा कोई दूर दूर का नाता नहीं है. मगर जैसा मैंने कहा कि जब कुछ लोग बहुत ज़्यादा नाराज़ हो गए इस बात से कि मैं राष्ट्रवाद की बात क्यों करती हूँ, या या मुझे इतनी क्या पड़ी है कि मैं फार्म लॉ के बारे में बात करूँ, उनको इस बात से तकलीफ़ हो रही है कि वो चाहे तो वो कर सकते हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ भी कह सकते हैं, पर मेरी हिम्मत कैसे कि मैं कहूँ, तो ये उनकी तकलीफ़ है. तो उनको जब इतनी तकलीफ़ हुई, इतनी पीड़ा हुई, इतना दर्द हुआ, तो उसके करके उन्होंने कई तमाशे किए जो सबने देखे. बट फॉर मी, जब मैं ये तमाशों के बीच में से गुजर रही थी और मैं सेट पे जाती थी, और इन्होंने भी एक सेट लगाया होता था, राज्यसभा, पार्लियामेंट, कोई कुछ असेंबली, एंड आई एम गेटिंग काइंड ऑफ असॉल्टेड देयर इन टर्म्स ऑफ जो जया माँ का एक्सपीरियंस था, उनकी मतलब काफ़ी उनको बुरा से ट्रीट किया जा रहा था, वैसे ही सीन्स भी शूट हो रहे थे साइमल्टेनियसली. तो मुझे काफ़ी अनकैनी लगा और बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजीब सी मुझे वो एक फीलिंग आती थी. ऐसा लगता था जैसे रील और रियल लाइफ बिल्कुल आपस में एकदम ब्लेंड हो गई है. पर आई डोंट नो, इट्स वेरी मिस्टीरियस.
Hi Kangna, Center. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. First of all, happy birthday.
Thank you.
And congratulations for National Award as well as Thalaivi trailer. It's amazing. Kangna, my question is, this is a trilingual film. How difficult was it to get the diction right and the language right in Tamil and Telugu? And will you be dubbing the Tamil and Telugu version as well?
Well, I have learnt the language to speak, but I would not say that my accent was right. My accent is nowhere close to being right, but I could just learn the words, and that was also very difficult for me, to be honest. Tamil particularly is very difficult, like Sanskrit. So it's Vijay sir's call, but I don't think he's okayed my Tamil. He's auditioning a lot of people from Tamil Nadu. He's not okayed them also. He's found some voice, I think, in Hyderabad, and he's like, I found the right crystal clear Tamil he wants. So obviously he has rejected me long ago.
How comfortable will you be when someone else will be mouthing your dialogues?
Yeah. It is always, for an actor, it is not to be honest, it is not a very desirable experience, because like when Vijayendra sir gave the script to me, he said, I have only one request to you. I said, sir, do you remember? He said, your voice is a very important part of your personality, and your voice is half of your performance also. So you have to learn Tamil and you have to speak Tamil in this film. And I took that as a challenge, but this man only rejected me. I can't do anything.
हेलो कंगना, संदीप ANI से बात कर रहा हूँ आपसे. जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको.
धन्यवाद.
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आपको नेशनल अवार्ड भी मिला है. मेरा सवाल आपसे स्पष्ट और साफ है. जया जी पर आप पिक्चर कर रही हैं. बहुत सारे उतार चढ़ाव उनके ज़िंदगी में थे और आपके ज़िंदगी में भी बहुत सारे उतार चढ़ाव हैं. तो आप कितना रिलेट करते हैं? दूसरा सवाल ये कि फिल्म के दौरान, ट्रेलर के दौरान हमने एक सीन देखा जिसमें आप कह रही हैं कि ये जया की महाभारत है, अब जया की महाभारत होगी. तो जब आप मुंबई लौटी थी और आपके साथ जो आपका घर तोड़ा गया या ऑफिस तोड़ा गया, तो मैं ये जानना चाह रहा था कि आप वो जो इंस्पिरेशन था, जो वीडियो आपने बनाया था, वो वहीं से इंस्पायर होकर के बनाया था क्या?
लाइक आई सेड, बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें जो है वो ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे रील से रियल में आ रही हैं, जो डिज़ायरेबल भी नहीं हैं और जो हैं भी। बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें मेरी ज़िंदगी में हो रही थी, लेकिन ये मेरा वाकई में मानना है। आप यू पिकअप एनी, आप हमारी हिस्ट्री में देख लीजिए, जो भी एक नारी का अपमान करता है उसका पतन निर्धारित है। तो दिस हिस्ट्री इज विटनेस, यू नो, रावणा इंसल्टेड सीता and Kauravas insulted Draupadi. I am nowhere close to those devis, but I am also a woman and I spoke for my own integrity. I did not harm anyone. I only protected my integrity as a woman, and then I was insulted. So for me, that what I recorded as a video message, I really truly believe that whenever you disrespect a woman, your destruction is definitely for sure guaranteed.
One last question we'll take, right?
हेलो कंगना, हम सब जानते हैं आप हर चीज़ के लिए बेबाक हैं और अपनी उसी बेबाकी के लिए आप जानी जाती हैं। बहुत बार स्टेज पे भी जिक्र करा गया कि आप बहुत जो किरदार आपने जिया वो बिल्कुल आपकी ज़िंदगी को कहीं ना कहीं दर्शाता है, बताता है। आज सुबह आप थोड़ी भावुक हो गई, उसकी वजह जानना चाहूँगा। और जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि जया जी का किरदार आपकी निजी ज़िंदगी को बहुत ज़्यादा बताता है, जिस वक्त आप शूट कर रही थी आपको कब कब महसूस हुआ कि अब ये घर टूटा, अब ये हुआ, अब ये हुआ, जो सीक्वेंसेस आपकी लाइफ में भी चल रहे थे? अब मैंने रिएक्ट किया, अब सामने वाले ने रिएक्ट किया, अब मैंने जवाबी कार्रवाई करी, जैसा आप खुद भी बता रही हैं।
उसके लिए आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी। हाँ, आप फिल्म नहीं देखना चाहते, मुझसे सुनना चाहते हैं सब। यू हैव टू सी द फिल्म फॉर दैट। एंड आई गॉट वेरी इमोशनल बिकॉज आई जस्ट फील दैट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वे, सिंस आई हैव बीन सक्सेसफुल, उससे पहले तो nobody cared about me before 2014, but after 2014, since I've been successful, there have been a lot of friction in my environment, whether it's people from competition or whether it is mafia, you know, or whosoever, maybe my mistakes, or maybe I'm too confrontational, maybe you know, I like to say what I feel, whatever it is, but it's been a very traumatic time for me ever since I have been successful. And now, you know, and it just got worse and worse. But for me to receive national award on my birthday, and for this very kind group of people who have been absolutely kind to me, like I mentioned this morning, that in South industry, you know, there may be nepotism, but there's no groupism, no bullying, targeting, harassment of outsiders. In fact, you don't feel like an outsider. They own you, they involve you, they're very inclusive of you. And they're absolutely respectful. The way they respect you as a woman and the way they even interact with you, it is just so overwhelmingly nice, especially because, like I said, you know, whether it is the friction with media, I'm getting banned by the media, or I'm getting banned by the film industry, or getting banned by the heroes. Everywhere I'm getting banned, and suddenly I find this amazing group of people who have only and only, their interest is only in the film. They only care about the product. Everybody goes home. Nobody does blind items or bitches about anyone. And you don't wake up in the morning and you'll be like, oh my God, who has done this nasty piece of PR? Nobody's spreading nasty stories about you. Nobody ganging up with you on with media. Nothing. Just pure work and pure talent. It has been such an overwhelming experience, and I've been really enjoying it. And then my director gifted me such a beautiful piece of cinema, and my team has been very kind to launch it on my birthday. And then National Award happened, and I just felt so full, and I just felt like it's such a wonderful, like rarely you feel that way. I don't know how many of us just fail to feel that way every morning. I just felt so happy to be alive and to be born and to be brought into this world. And I was just so full of gratitude for my parents and everyone, and I just broke down. But yeah, I will always remember this very special birthday. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
कंगना आखिरी सवाल
We'll have
जिस तरह आप फिल्म मेकिंग समझती हैं, आप सिनेमा समझती हैं, आपको उतनी सलाहियत, उतना इंटेलिजेंस है. Just you know, there's a news coming in कि हाथी मेरे साथी, there's a South film. फिर there's another film, D Company. It is postponed क्योंकि कोरोना का जो माहौल चल रहा है. क्या there a possibility थलाईवी की डेट आगे पीछे हो सकती है because of corona?
No, I don't think. क्योंकि the film is ready to reach audiences and the audience are absolutely ready. And whichever films are coming, maybe they are not performing in their full potential, but it is not that they are underperforming either. They are definitely making good impact, and audiences are ready, and we'll have to collectively fight it. And the vaccine is also around, and we still have 4 weeks. We are very hopeful that things will improve and we'll have 100% occupancy in the theaters. Maybe in few areas we won't, but we are prepared for that.
Cool. Thank you so much. That's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen.
One question for Vijay sir. This film is
Yes, please.
Jaya's journey from cinema to CM. Here, this side. So I believe the political scenario has been very truly captured. What do you have to say about it?
You want to repeat the question, Lipika ji?
ना चल रहे political scenario रंबो truly निंगे capture पन्ने
समझाया, wow, wow.
No, we South Indians speak good English, don't worry.
Out of the park. The ball is out of the park. Sir, Kamal.
It's just a feedback problem, not English problem, sorry.
ना निंचे उंगल के पूरी ले आगे ना
That's a feedback problem, not English.
Okay, continue, sir.
Yeah.
Answer.
No.
Will it create any political scenario? Will create any controversy down south?
No, we don't think so, because actually everything is very evident and very Jayamma's life. Everyone knows what happened in her life. Maybe not her cinema journey inside personal life. Not much people will know, but the political journey of Jayamma, everyone knows, and is very evident. And a lot of people written about it. We have a photographic evidence and also video evidence for it. So we just we taken as I said, Vijay Prasad sir has given a great story to us. We have actually tried to stick to the realism, but all little fictionized, of course. We have to give the experience of cinema. Sir has come with a lot of fictionized, little bit fictionized, dramatic scenes have come. But the drama was there in her life, and so much drama was there in her life, and we could be able to capitalize and capture the few great moments which has happened in her life. We are not very, we're not worried about the controversy or anything, but we are only, there are whatever incident we shown in the film are very true incidents, so we are not worried about it.
Thank you so much.
Vasu Garu, are you very confident that Thalaivi will make a good response down south?
Vishnu sir.
Vishnu sir, sorry.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
that's the state of producers. You media people won't know the producer name also, so it's sad. Please. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. So I couldn't focus on the question because my name was spelled wrong. So.
Are you very confident that down south, Thalaivi, this movie is going to bring hordes of booty?
This film is going to perform everywhere, ma'am. It's a pan-India film. I'm sure, 200% sure that it will perform in every part of the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And आप भी इसी के साथ अपना व्रत तोड़िएगा थिएटर्स जाने का. सब लोग करने वाले हैं. Well, it's time to cut the cake. मुंह मीठा किया जाए. कंगना जी आप अभी कहीं नहीं जाएंगी. We'll just cut the cake quickly. हाँ, come on, हम make some noise अब तो कर सकते हैं हल्ला गुल्ला.